Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today I am here to make a very important announcement with respect to new CA Inter batch which is scheduled to be commenced from September 7th onwards, that is September 7th of 2020. So the major reason for coming through this video is just to inform the students the importance of this batch. This is not a crash batch, this is a regular batch. For crash batch, we'll be hardly taking coaching classes for 2 months. 2 months for group 1, 2 months for group 2. So merged together, it will be hardly 4 months of coaching. But whereas for this regular batch, which is going to start on September 7th, we'll be taking coaching classes for 7 months. So there's a huge difference. For crash batch, syllabus will get finished in 4 months. For regular batch, it will take around 7 months. Crash batch coaching will be around 900 to 1000 hours for both groups put together. Whereas regular batch, which is going to be commenced, the coaching hours will be 1600 to 1800 hours. So there is a huge difference. Students who are going to plan their attempt in May 2021 can also join this batch. By that time, majority portion will get finished. We recommend students of November 2021 to join this batch, but in some special cases, if students who are planning for May 2021 attempt are also welcome to join in this batch, because by the time syllabus gets finished. So this is not a crash batch, this is going to be a regular batch. Coaching will get finished in 7 months. The coaching duration itself is 7 months. On each day, we will be conducting classes for 10 hours. Now, some of our regular batch students, that means they have already taken CA Inter coaching in our regular batch earlier and desirous to join in the new regular batch which is going to commence on September 7th. For those students, there will be a huge discount, you can't even believe. So once you make a call to our counseling department, they will explain you the discount policy. For those students, there will be a huge discount. And there is a concept called direct entry scheme. So in this direct entry scheme, students who have completed their second year of degree or final year of degree can join for CA Inter directly without the help of CA Foundation. Some of our CA Foundation students might have got failed in CA Foundation earlier because of various reasons. They might have not taken the course seriously. So they might have faced some health issues due to which they were unable to focus on studies. So because of various reasons, they might have not cleared their CA Foundation. But they have cleared their second year of degree or final year of degree. Such students can directly join for CA Inter, and those students can join for the CA Inter regular batch which is scheduled to be commenced on September 7th. So I request all the students to take the best advantage of this regular batch, and also please inform about this batch to your friends also. Thank you. All the best.